if you are living in Abuja right now, you are sitting on a gold mine. There are opportunities for you to start making money in Abuja city. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through 10 businesses you can start right now if you're in Abuja for you to start making money. Because like I tell you, you need to position yourself in Abuja based on where the money is flowing into. So let's talk about certain things about Abuja. Abuja is Nigeria's capital city, and it holds a significant potential for businesses and entrepreneurship. Now, let's explore these opportunities. Now, what is the first opportunity? Opportunity number one is real estate and construction. Now, with Abuja's growing population, real estate investment is a lucrative choice, a fantastic way of making huge amounts of money. Let me tell you why. Now, many individuals profit by building or by purchasing house and renting them out in Abuja. That's what they do. People go and get a land close to the neighboring state. They build a house there. They sell those houses for huge amounts of money, or they rent it out. But the fact that houses in Abuja is literally expensive right now. So, which simply means that is a huge lucrative opportunity for those of you who are into real estate, or you want to consider real estate and construction as a business. Now, statistically, rent in Abuja is considered luxurious, outrageous due to its expense, making it attractive market for real estate ventures. You can't miss this at all. There are some places in Abuja that if you see the price of the house, it's like you going to buy a village in some African countries, or even in some states in Nigeria, right? So that is why business number one is very lucrative if you are in Abuja. Let's look at business number two. Now, business number two is something that people neglect: security installation and services. With the recent insecurities in Nigeria, not just in the north alone, right? Different parts of Nigeria, there is insecurity right now. Boko Haram in the north, the ESF in the east, right? The Niger Delta militants in the Niger Delta region, and the west also, you have some agitators as well. So insecurity, one thing that's going to do very well in Abuja, to be precise, because of this location that Abuja as the capital of the state, security is very, very important. So while Abuja is a little bit secure compared to other parts of the northern state, right? But security service is highly, highly needed because of the type of people that are in Abuja. Now you have politicians in Abuja, you have diplomats of other countries who are resident in Abuja, and you have businesses, right? So, which simply means that these guys will be willing to invest in their security. They will be willing to invest in security devices that you can install in their house, in their offices, because of these insecurities that is threatening people in Abuja. So starting security installation service is just a no-brainer, right? It's just something that people will patronize because of the situation that is currently happening. Now, the demand for security service remains high, creating valuable business opportunity for anyone who wants to go into it in the city of Abuja. That is statistics. Business number three. Let's look at business number three. Some of you might have guessed already. Business number three is computer sales, installations, and repair. Technology. Everybody's using technology. We have almost everybody's using phone, laptop, iPad, one technology or the other. So this technology, they will get tired, they will need repairs, and they will need somebody that will repair these tools. That is why having a computer sales, installation, and repair service is a no-brainer as well. People need this service. People need to fix their laptop, they need to fix their phone. So starting this particular business in Abuja is just something that will literally make you millions of naira every month or within a year, right? Millions of naira every month or every year, depending on how you decide to run your business. Now let's look at business number four. Business idea number four to start in Abuja: technology solution providers. Now, Abuja is embracing digital transformation, leading to increased demand for technology solutions, right? From software development to cybersecurity services. Tech-based business thrive so much in Abuja. So all you need to do is to look for which of these solutions you are going to provide. Are you going to be providing solutions to business owners, help them grow their business, or help them provide IT support for their business tools? Which one you want to take? Or you want to start a fintech kind of business where you help people with transactions across the border or interstate, which one do you want to go for? There is a huge opportunity for technology solution providers who start business in Abuja. Now, the tech industry in Abuja is on the rise. It's not as high compared to Lagos, but is on the rise, offering immense potentials for entrepreneurs who want to begin to provide that as service. Let's look at business you can start. Number 5. Yes, business you can start. Number 5 is hospitality and tourism. Now, this hospitality and tourism, Abuja attract tourists from diplomats to business travelers. Establishing hotels, restaurants, or tour service can be rewarding. People will need a place to sleep, hotels. People will need food to eat. People will need a place to go and see things, to go and enjoy the entire environment and the ecosystem and the tourist site that Abuja have. So, the hospitality and tourism industry, if you can start a business in it, Abuja is a very good place where you can be making huge amounts of money. The federal capital of the state, right? So, that is another business you should look into right now and start to work on it. Business idea number 6, a very lucrative one, agriculture and agro business. So guys, agriculture and agro business is a lucrative business to start right now in Abuja. Now here is the reasons. Abuja's proximity to fertile lands allow for agricultural ventures, right? Now let me tell you something. If you know Abuja, you will know that Abuja shares border or boundary with some important states that are very, very fertile when it comes to agriculture. One of such states is Kaduna State. Another one is Kogi State. Another state is Nasarawa State. And the other state is Niger State. Right? These 4 states, they are agro-fertile states or agricultural farming states. Right? If you go to Kaduna State, you see a lot of land that you can farm, almost anything that you can find in the north. The same thing with Kogi State. The same thing with Niger State. The same thing with Nasarawa State. So because of that proximity, agro-business thrive a lot in Abuja. Some of the business you can embark on is something like crop farming, right? Poultry, fishery. These type of businesses, start them in Abuja, you will make a lot of money. Now, agriculture contributes significantly to Nigeria's economy, and Abuja plays a role in this sector. Very, very important role Abuja is playing because of that proximity. So let's look at business number 7 that you can start right now to make money in Abuja. This one is something that I love a lot. Education and training centers. Abuja is a city where you have people coming from different parts of the country. So one thing that we definitely do well is education and training business. Now, the city's educated population seeks quality education. Establishing training centers, coaching institutes, and vocational schools can thrive in Abuja. People in Abuja are actually looking forward to learn, right? They're not like other states, I will not mention names, that education is not something that is important. In Abuja, education is a priority. So, start an education center, a training center to teach quality education. People will patronize you and you will make money doing that, right? Abuja residents value education a lot, and that creates a demand for learning centers year in, year out. Business number 8, you can start in the city of Abuja, is fitness and wellness centers. Health and wellness is a priority for everyone in Lagos, especially in major cities in Nigeria, and Abuja is not left out, right? Establishing a fitness center, a yoga center, a wellness spa can cater for this demand. People are looking for a place that they will go for their fitness, for their wellness, especially in an environment where people have money, like Abuja, where you have politicians, where you have diplomats, where you have people coming in from different countries into Abuja. They will need a place such as this. Sometimes for them to go and relax, for their exercise, for their wellness and fitness program, it's just a no-brainer. People love it. Now, the global wellness industry is growing, and Abuja's health-conscious population contribute to this trend. That is why you need to position yourself if this is your area. Guys, it's important to venture into business that you have expertise, knowledge, and experience in. it will really help you start the business properly and scale the business. Business idea number 9. For those of us who are into fashion, you love clothing, you love fashion, this is for you, right? Business number 9 is fashion boutique. Abuja residents appreciate fashion and style. They love good clothes. They love elegance. They love to look on point. So opening a boutique that offers trendy clothes, accessories, and personalized styling services can be highly profitable. Like I said, you have people coming into the States from different parts of the world. They would like to have a taste of the Nigerian fashion. They would like to have a taste of what Abuja fashion is like, and that will cater for that particular demand. So the fashion industry thrives in Abuja, especially among the youthful and elegance-seeking population of Abuja who want to look elegant. They want to look on point. That is one thing that they are known for. They love elegance. All right. Business idea number 10. We are looking at solar energy solution across the nation, right? There is shortage in energy across Africa as a whole. Energy is a huge issue. Now, Abuja experiences abundant sunlight, making solar energy a viable option. Providing solar panels, installation, and maintaining services can address the city's energy needs. So if you can start a solar energy solution where you are installing solar panels for hospitals, for banks, instead of them using diesel that is very expensive right now and using fuel, you can just install solar panels for organizations and even for residents, right? They will appreciate it. And there is a huge demand for this particular service. Now, the push for renewable energy resources create a favorable environment for solar businesses to grow. And that is why this business is highly lucrative in a place like Abuja. Now, remember to conduct thorough research. Every of the opportunity I shared in this video are based on my own research and my own findings. But for you, remember to do thorough market research. Understand the local regulations. Understand how to tailor your business to meet specific needs of people in Abuja. And if you are interested about how I conduct my market research for businesses that people can start and for products that people can create, you can check out my free market research guide to help you create and start business people will love, and they will beg for you to receive their money for the services you have to offer. Link below. You can join the group for free and start to do effective research to start your own business or to create your own product. See you guys in the next video. Click here to watch the next video. Bye-bye.